Hey guys, welcome back to Madera Farms. I am super excited to share with you guys that we are officially in the basement bakery. I'm going to show you everything that we've done so far, what's still to come. I have not decorated one thing. My big reveal was going to be everything was going to be decorated and it was going to look super cute. But honestly, I'm just super excited to share this with you guys. You guys have been with me since day one and I feel like you're a part of this journey. So I really wanted to share with you guys exactly what we got going on here in the basement bakery. So behind me, I have an 8-foot long stainless steel table. I bought this from a guy who had a storage unit and needed to get rid of it. So we definitely had to clean it up. It's used and abused, but my mom came over and helped me. She cleaned it all up so it looks perfectly new. I got these racks. I use them to cool my bread at Walmart. I will link everything in the description. So if you want to grab any of this stuff, totally can. And I did this on a budget, just so you guys know. So yeah, I'm just super excited. So first I'm just going to show you guys around the bakery so you can see exactly the layout, you can see what's going on, where things are, and then we will kind of catch up on what still needs to be done and future plans. So as you guys know, I love me some drop cloth curtains. So this brings us right into the bakery. So here we have those racks, and I'm pretty tall, so it's fine that they're stacked pretty high, but I could definitely put these on the floor if needed. And then down here, I just have some bins. This is where my flour is gonna go. I'm still kind of in transition. I have some things down here, some things are still upstairs. It is delivery day, and so I have stuff ready to go in boxes. Over here, I just have a bunch of my stuff. Nothing's really been like organized the way that I want it yet, but I'm just giving you guys an idea of what's going on. So this was an old rack that I had upstairs, if you remember. I just brought it down and I have my utensils up here, some of my things that I use, some ingredients, and then some loaf pans down here. This little corner is honestly kind of empty, so I don't know what I'm going to do over there yet. We're kind of trying to figure out spacing, but again, just giving you an idea of how things are laid out as of right now. So I have my oven front and center, which it needs to be because it can't be right up against the wall. It can't really be in any corner just because it gives off a lot of heat. Over here, I have my refrigerator. This is soon going to be just a full standing refrigerator. This was a hand-me-down and it's working fine for now, but I definitely want to get something that is a little bit better. And then I have my desk area over here. If you guys remember, I wanted my desk to be on this side, but it just didn't work out with the table and the refrigerator and all that stuff. So this is how it is now. Over here is where I'm hoping to one day have a sink. I don't have a sink yet, so I'm kind of taking water up and down the stairs, which isn't the best. But on the other side of this wall is a shower. So if I ever need water right away, I can just grab it from there. So this is not finished. As you can tell, this wall still, or this window needs trimmed out, and then I'm gonna get some cute window cover for that. Over here is probably my favorite area so far. This is my little packing station, and it has made my life so much easier. Having a designated space where I can print out all of my labels for the week. I can write everything out on the board, keep track of totals, cross things off as they are sent out. It just makes it so much easier. I have one of these cube storage bins here. I would like to paint it black, but it's fine for right now. I want to paint it black and then get wicker baskets. This was in my son's room and it's perfectly fine for right now. So in here I just have scone boxes, stuff for recording videos, random other stuff in there. But I love this little section, this little area so much. It has made everything so much easier. And as you guys can see, I painted the ceiling black. I am absolutely loving it. I just have one measly little light here. I do have that light that I can plug in if needed, but I am gonna do some sort of cool light fixture or maybe even like a standing light or wall sconces, something to give it a little bit more of a moody look in here. My plan for this wall over here, I really want to get something to go right here, like a peg wall or something where I can hang all my tools, and then maybe even get rid of this shelf or use it for something else. And then I'm gonna do a long shelf up here where I can stack all of my Banneton baskets, and then that will free up any space down here to continue to put flour and salt and all the things that I need. So I'm going to run down exactly where we got everything, and that way if you want to start decorating or maybe making your space a little bit more of a bakery, you can do that as well. So starting over here, this is a drop cloth. I got this at Walmart along with the tension rod and all of these little clips. I did a short showing exactly how I do this. Again, everything will be linked in the description, but let me scoot back so you can see. And that is that simple. It just blocks off the room a little bit without putting an actual wall in there, because we had to still get the oven in and I didn't want to put a wall up. The paneling here we got at a local lumber store. So I don't know exactly what it is. It's like a tongue and groove. As you can see, it like fits into each other here. And we just put a clear coat over top. Nothing that really changed the color of it because I like the natural wood against the black. Our flooring is my favorite thing. I think it's so fun. And this is just a black and white stick-on tile. We got this at Home Depot, and for the entire room, it was, I think, less than $200. The oven. This is a used oven. The brand is Lucy. I don't really know. I tried to do some research and couldn't really find much on it, so I can't really tell you. It is a deck oven. One thing that we had to do, which isn't the best, is we had to create something to plug up the back. So as you can see here, there's a vent back here. So when I spray in there, the moisture would just come out. So my dad created these little things that are magnetic, and they just stick right to the back of the oven. It's not the best thing, but it works for what I need it to for right now. I painted, this is just cinder block. I just painted it black. There was a whole debate on Instagram about it, but my husband made this desk a long time ago when I was working from home during COVID. So he just kind of got a simple plan and made that. These are some storage boxes, organizing boxes. I'm hoping to get a printer up here, my computer down here, make this an actual desk area. To be honest, I don't really sit down and do paperwork. I do it all on my phone and through email. So I don't even know if I really need this desk, but I want to make it look, you know, more professional. And then, yeah, I'm going to do something about that window because it looks like right out into our yard that's filled with a bunch of stuff. I think that is about it. Honestly, these you can get at Walmart, super cheap, super affordable. I got that at Walmart. I ordered these on Amazon. They're just like stick onto the wall. And then I just print out all of my labels for the week, put them in nice and easy. So as much as I wanted to wait until we had decorations and all the things up, I really just wanted to share this space with you guys because it has brought a lot of peace in my baking. As you can imagine, I am now able to bake 16 loaves at a time. It has freed up so much of my time. It's unbelievable. I was baking 4 loaves at a time, maybe 5, and it was just taking up so much of my time. Now I can do 3 bakes in here and I am done for the day. And that just really has helped me so much. Having a designated space to do my work has really made my life so much easier. And now I get to work on finishing up the kitchen. I'm going to do a lot of cleaning, getting everything moved out of there that needs to come down here. I'm still obviously in transition. I want to get like cool decorations and make this space like really just mine, like a little man cave for me. Little baking cave. And I thought of getting like some cool signage and just really kind of spicing this area up. So if you guys have any really cool ideas, leave them in the comments because I will be reading them. In my next video, I'm going to take you through baking in this deck oven. I think a lot of people are hesitant to get different ovens because one, it's a really large investment, and then two, you never know how your bread's going to turn out. And trust me, I've done a lot of baking in this oven. I've wasted a lot of dough, I've wasted a lot of loaves to get to a place where I am really comfortable selling bread from this oven. So I'm going to take you through exactly what I do on this particular oven. Again, it's used, it's secondhand, it's not anything that I would say like, oh my gosh, this is the most amazing thing in the world. I had to jimmy rig the back. As you can tell, it's not, like I said, it's used. So I didn't want to go in debt to get an oven, so this was $1,700. It's much more affordable than a lot of bread ovens that are out there. So if you are in a spot like me, you don't want to go in debt, you still want to scale up, this might be a good option for you. So I'll take you through baking in this deck oven in the next video. But thank you guys so much for checking out my new microbakery. I am just so excited to continue to grow and share this space with you. I'll catch you in the next one.